Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this here old antique vintage cordless phone. So right now we're going to call it as junk. You get nothing for it like as it is, just trash. We're going to take it apart and see if we can make this trash into something. See if we can get any money out of this. So that's what we're going to do today, so yeah, let's get it done. Date code 98. So this was made in 98. So it's an old phone. We'll see if we can make it into something worth something. Got a nice board in here. There are smaller screwdrivers. Turn that fan down a little bit, might hear me a little better. Plastic trash. Get this out here and we'll have more plastic trash. More plastic trash. Pull off this mylar, which is probably silver mylar. That's trash now. It's like cast aluminum. Not sure what board this would be. I'll find out. That's plastic. Guess that's plastic instead of cast. That's just plastic. So that's trash. Fooled us, huh? Now let's get to this. See if we can get anything good out of this. I guess that's got it. There we got it. Yep, had to screw underneath that. Oh well. We got it apart. And we have another board. As you all know, I sell my stuff to board sorts, so I price everything off of them, what I can get off of them. Because one day I'll be making a trip up there and take all my stuff up. Now, let's figure out how to get these boards off and see what we got. Now we have our piece of plastic trash, and looks like we got another piece of plastic. It's not cast. We'll go ahead and get this off, see what's in behind it. Should be about the same as that. And a power board. So this would be a low grade board. And there we have it. We took something that was worth nothing and made it into something. So I'm going to figure out what boards these are, and when we come back we'll weigh them up and see what we get. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. And we are back, and the metal shred is at 5 cents a pound, and we got 0.05 pounds. We get nothing, which I figured it was too late, but we weighed it up anyway. We have a piece of copper, weighs nothing. That came out of the speakers, nice little bit, but it weighs nothing, but everything adds up. Got a little bit of brass, same, doesn't really weigh up to amount to anything. The main thing we're going after here are the boards. We got a little bit of insulated wire. So, as that said, all that, maybe a couple pennies, even if that, we will weigh up our low grade board, which is at 50 cents a pound for the low grade board. we will get 9 cents. Yeah, that's not much, but 9 cents is better than nothing. And these are considered as high-grade boards, high-grade peripheral. I checked with Oscar, and Oscar says high-grade peripheral. So at $4.25 a pound, we get 83 cents. Almost $1 for those two boards. When we would have just thrown it away and got nothing and took a couple minutes to take apart, it's fun to do, see what was inside, and get $1 out of it. Yeah, not much, not worth doing, but at least now you know. And what's inside of one of these old, at least this old cordless phone. I'm sure others has different things, but if we come across any, we'll take them apart and we'll see together. So hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bring them out try to bring them out every Wednesday and Saturday, and stay tuned, and see you on the next one. See ya.